All right, in this problem, it says you throw 3 darts at the board shown. Each dart hits the board and scores a 2, 6, or 18. So notice that what that's telling you is it's not going to hit that black area on the very outside. It's either going to be a 2, 6, or an 18. So that's important. How many different total scores can you make? So this is similar to a problem I did in the notes where we had like a toll and you had to pay 50 cents. So same type of a deal. You're going to want to use a chart. So first of all, you could get a 2, 6, an 18, and here I'm going to put the score. So just to be, I think the key with these is to try to be organized somehow. So I'm going to start by saying I hit 3 2s. That means I didn't hit either of the other two. And 3 2s, we're going to have a score of 6. And so then I'm going to go down and put a 2 here. And I could put the 1 here or here. I'm going to go ahead and put it here. So this is like 2001, and my next one will be 210, 2010. So my numbers are getting lower. That's kind of what I'm trying to do as far as being organized. So I'm going to have an 18 and 2 2s, which is 4. So here we'll get a score of 22, because we want to know how many different scores we get, and we want to make sure if there's any duplicates that we don't count those twice. So here I get 2 2s, that's 4, and a 6. I'm going to get a score of 10. And so now, let's see, I don't have any other possibilities when I hit the 2 twice. So now I'm going to go to 1. So again, I'll start by putting a 2 here and a 0 here. So I've got 2 18s, which is 36, and 2. I'm going to get a score of 38 in this case. And if I put the 2 here, actually I don't want to do that. Let's go ahead and do 1 and 1, because that'll still be a smaller number than if I put a 1, 2, and then 0. So again, I'm trying to be as organized as I can to make sure I hit them all. So an 18 and 6 is 24, and 2 makes 26. And then I'll do the 1 with a 2 and a 0. So this will be 2 6s, which is 12, and 2, which is 14. And so I've hit all the possibilities if I hit 1, 2. Let's go to when I get a 0 here. So the lowest number I would have writing this from left to right is if this is a 3 and this is a 0. So 3 18s, that would be 54. And then, excuse me, I'll do a 0 and a 1 here and a 2 here. And let's see, that's 36 and 6, which would be 42. Notice I've not repeated any of my scores. Let's go ahead and do a 0 and a 2 and a 1. And so we have 1 18 and 2 6s. That's 12 and 18, which is 30. And there's one more case. I could have 0 here and 3 here and 0 here. So this will be all the possibilities if I get 0 2s. 3 times 6 is 18. And we've systematically gone through all the possibilities. First where we got a 3 first, 3 2s, then 2 2s, then 1 2, and then no 2s. And so we've hit every possibility. Notice we have 10 different scores. And so that is the final answer. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other problems.